Don't forget to introduce yourself. Alicia from 11-1, welcome. Nadra Imani from 9-1, welcome. Army 11-1, welcome. Irfan Fitri, welcome. Aisha, welcome. So today we are going to be very excited with our class today. All right. I'm still admitting people because we still have about 50 seats left. All right. Hello, Kuaina. Hello, Kaira, Arif, Ana, Humaira, Shariman. Welcome. We get to know each other, right? Because we are two schools, we are neighbors. Now we are connected through virtual. Hi, Faika. I'm not going to mute everyone yet. I'm going to mute you like in another 5 to 7 minutes before we start our class. Hello, Nuha. Hello, Natasha from 11-1. I'm so excited because today's class is a combination of 11-1 and 9-1. How interesting it is. All right. Okay, while admitting people, I'm still gonna admit people. So I'm gonna introduce myself. Hello, my name is Mr. Mahfuz, and I am from SKPP 9-1. Okay, so today we have a ground rules actually. So we have like 2 quizzes at the beginning and at the ending. So I need you to very focus to my class. Okay, pay attention to my class. Okay, please. All right, and please do all the tasks that I will ask you to do. All right. Now, this video, okay, this meeting will be recorded. So I need you to behave yourself, okay? Behave. Make sure whatever you type in the Zoom group chat is good and is pleasant, okay? Now, I would prefer you to show yourself. I mean, please put on the video or turn on the video so I can see you, right? Next, I ask you to response in the group chat. Please respond in the group chat. Thank you and congratulations to everyone who just introduced yourself in the group chat. I really appreciate that. Okay, so now without wasting any time, we are going to start with this. What is this? What is this? Can you read? Can you read? Someone is reading.
Battle of Putrajaya.
Battle of Putrajaya. So we will see. We will see 11-1 or 9-1 as the most marks or the champion of this Battle Putrajaya in Quizziz. Right? We will start with Quizziz. Once you do the quizzes, you know what we are going to do today. Okay? You will know what we are going to do today and what topic are we learning today. All right. So in Quizziz, your name should be put with your school name. I'm giving example in the chat box, SKPP 91 Mahfuz. When you want to type your name, type like this. This is the example in the chat box. Okay. Type SKPP 91 Mahfuz. Why? So I know your name and I know your school as well. Okay. So without wasting any more time, and while I'm admitting people to get into the group, I will get you to do the quizzes.
Kakak buka lampu kakak. Di dalam tu.
Ready, everyone?
Yes.
Betul.
Dah masuk.
All right. I have 14 questions for you to do. All right. You may enter the quizzes now. If you don't know how to enter the quizzes, I'm going to send you a link. Make sure when you put your name, put your school name first. Once everyone entered the link, once everyone entered the quizzes, I will start. Thank you, thank you. I can see people coming in. I can see people coming in. Zafri, you have to put your school name, please, Zafri. Zafri, please put your school name. I have to remove you. You put your school name, okay? I would prefer the school name first, then your name. Please put the school name first, then your name.
Put your school name.
All right, we will start the Battle of Putrajaya now. Please answer the questions and we will discuss afterwards. All right, teachers, we use this to activate their prior knowledge. So before we start the class, we will let them to answer this question first and we will build from that. This is giving me a good time for me to admit everyone into the room. Currently, we have about 51 participants. You can answer as many times as you want. For those who just entered the room, I have shared a link for you to enter this Quizziz site. All right, so enter or click the link and enter this Quizziz site so you can answer these questions. We will discuss these questions afterwards.
Ui, siapa? Ni gambar bola lah. Target participant kan peserta. Yes, people of satu dan selesai.
All right, guys, if you want to mute yourself, you can mute yourself now.
Kena.
For those who just came in, like Mr. Mahesh, welcome Mr. Mahesh. We are currently doing a quizzes to activate my students or your students or everyone's students' prior knowledge first. Then we will build the lesson from there. Okay, you can click on the link I have provided in the group chat. Currently, I have 57. I would like to welcome Puan Sanisa as well from JPWP Putrajaya. Welcome Puan Sanisa for joining this collaborative session. Welcome Puan Sanisa for joining this collaborative session. Okay. Welcome teachers, welcome Mr. Mahesh, KP of Ketua Panel of SK Putrajaya President 91, and Teacher Hana, who is also the Ketua Panel of President 11-1. So I'm giving you another like 2 or 3 minutes for you to finish this.
Yeah, number 41.
Currently, we have 57 participants. All right, I'm gonna give you another like 2 minutes before we discuss what we are going to do today. So now you know, okay, those who have finished, now you know what is the topic of the lesson today. Can you chat box or write in the chat box, what is the topic of our class today? Obviously, we are going to learn grammar. So what element of grammar that we are going to learn? Thank you, Nadia. We are going to learn conjunctions, okay? Some of you has already known what are conjunctions, okay? Can you send me, or can tell me what are the example of conjunctions that you know and that you always use in your daily conversation, all right? What are the examples of the conjunctions that you always use in your daily conversation? Can you give me some examples? So, thank you, Nadia. What else? What else? With my class, I always ask them to remember fanboys. All right, and, or, but, no. Very good. There's so many conjunctions, okay? Yet, very good. So what do we usually use conjunctions for? Can you tell me? What do we use conjunctions for? Anyone knows what do we use conjunctions for? Because this is the next level of your language, okay? When you know what is the use of the conjunctions, what do we use conjunctions for? You cannot hear me? To combine 2 words, do you think we combine 2 words? All right. What do you think? What do we do? What do we use conjunctions for? All right. I guess you will know what to combine sentences. Yes, good. We use to combine sentences, 2 phrases, okay? So if you want to make a compound sentence or complex sentence, we usually use conjunction. All right. So I will stop or end the Battle of Putrajaya. We will see who is the winner of Battle of Putrajaya. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Third, Harisa Hawa from 11-1. Second, Huda from 11-1. And first, Christopher from 11-1. So we have so many people who get 100%. And a lot of you got it right. Okay, good. Very, very, very good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to discuss this. Okay, we're going to review the questions. If you want to respond anything, you can just respond in the text box. All right, question number 1. I like to run, jump on the playground. So what conjunction do we use? And, okay? We use and. And is a conjunction here. We don't use or. We will know why we don't use or. We don't use so, and we don't use but, okay? I like orange, not oranges. I like orange, not oranges. Okay? Okay? I like orange, not oranges. I like orange, but not oranges. Okay? Some people has like draw something on the screen. Can you please erase it again? All right. The bus stopped. The man got off. The bus stopped and the man got off. All right. Next one. We stayed at home and watched film. Okay. We stayed at home and watched film. Okay. Someone has done something to the screen. Can you please erase it? Can you please erase it if you are doing it? Okay. Next one. Question number 5. I wanted to buy a newspaper, but didn't have enough money. I wanted to buy a newspaper, but I didn't have enough money. All right. Next one. I have a lot of homework to do now. I can't go to the cinema with you. So, very good. 41 players answered so. Okay, next one. He's very rich, but he doesn't spend a lot of money. But is more accurate. Okay, thank you very much for answered this. All right, next one. Do you want tea or coffee? Do you want tea or coffee? Is the Empire State Building in New York or in London? This is a question, all right? Is it a new house or an old house? Giving an options, so you use or. I enjoy visiting many different countries. I wouldn't want to live anywhere else but the United States. Okay, I don't really like this sentence because it has two but. So they are using two conjunctions. All right, but we can go more about this afterwards. We can go by bus or we can walk. Again, it's giving an option. I can't remember his names, but I know his face from somewhere. I will study my spelling words so I can get a good score on the test. All right, that's all, okay? 14, question 14. Okay, I know that someone is very excited and you are drawing on the screen now. Please erase it if you are doing so. Okay, again. All right, so you have answered Quizziz and you have known the winner. So now I'm going to show you a video on conjunction.
Conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that joins two nouns, phrases, or sentences.
So a conjunction is a word that joins two nouns, phrases, or sentences. That is conjunctions. You join two words, correct? All right? Or nouns, phrases, or sentences.
The words and, no,
For and no, but,
or,
or,
yet.
yet.
So are called coordinating conjunctions.
We call these fanboys.
The mnemonic
Fanboys.
fanboys is an easy way to remember the names of the conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions always come between the words or phrases or clauses that they join. For is used like because. It presents reason. For example,
For is for reasons.
we took out the umbrellas from the loft, for it is rainy season now.
You can use for to replace because as well.
And is used to show addition. It presents ideas that are similar. For example, my brother wants to be a writer and a scientist.
And
Nor is used to say not. It presents a negative idea with another or joins two sentences having the adverb not. For example, my father does not get angry at me, nor
nor
does my mother.
does my mother. Negative ideas,
But
okay?
shows a contrast.
But we show the
Presents
contrast.
ideas that are opposite.
Presenting ideas that are
For
opposite,
example,
we use but.
We went to the theater, but we could not get tickets for the movie. Or shows
Or
an option.
Shows an option.
Presents an alternative idea or choice. For example, be there on time or you will miss the bus. Yet presents an outcome or contrast. For example, I was upset with my brother, yet I helped him with his project. So presents a consequence or a result. For example, I have not done my homework, so I apologize to my teacher.
All right. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, we had a video on conjunctions just now, okay? So basically, sorry for that. I'm gonna stop this. Suddenly come out with a song. So basically, the conjunctions that we just learned just now is or are fan boys. All right, fanboys, if you can see, okay? So you need to know the fanboys. F is for, A is N is no, but, or, yet, so. These are the basic conjunctions that you know that you can use to make compound sentence or complex sentence, all right? Okay, now, I will have another quizzes to test your understanding. Do you have any questions that we can discuss? If you have any questions, you can just write in the chat box. I will share the link afterwards, okay? All right, ready with the next one? We just do this class to practice or to know your level. All right, this is only for 5 minutes because we have 10 minutes left. Enter the Quizziz now, all right? And please make sure that you write your school name first, then your name. Write your school name first, okay? SKPP 91. And then your name. I can see that people coming in. I will start the game now. All right, now for teachers, we have another like 8 minutes left. So they will finish answering this anytime. So now you can put the Google form in the link in the group chat so they can register themselves when they finish answering the quizzes set for the certificate, e-cert of participation. All right, for your information, everyone, we already prepared. Thank you. Thank you very much to English panels of SKPP 11.1. They already prepared an e-cert for the certificate of participation in this 40 minutes class. So once you finish answering the quizzes, please fill out the online Google form so we can email you the participation certificate. All right, certificate of participation. Okay, so Miss Fariha alias has already shared the link. Once you finish answering the quizzes, please click the link and fill up the form so that we can email you the certificate. We can see that 9.1 and 11.1 is battling each other, fighting each other to get number 1. Irshad Imtiaz and Wan Nadra, they're running for the champion. But it looks like Irshad Imtiaz already finished. It looks like it is easy this time. All right, for those of you who have finished the quizzes, please look at your group chat box, your Zoom chat box. So now group Zoom becomes groom. Zoom group chat box. And please fill up the forms shared by Miss Fariha. And you can get a certificate because you have participated in this class. All right. Please, everyone write in the capital letters. Okay, please write in the capital letters in the Google form. See? Yes. Miss Hannah has just reminded everyone. So I am going to have like a short discussion on this. I'm going to end the game now. So we'll see who has done a very good job. Who is the third place? Irshad. Second place, Nadra from 9-1. And the first is Afzan from 11-1. Congratulations. Woo! Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you and thank you and thank you. All right, we will discuss for about in 3 minutes, 4 minutes, okay? We don't have much time left. So we will discuss and we will review the question. I know the answer, but I cannot tell you. Why is it a but? Because it has a cons, like a contrast idea. Okay, contrast idea. Next one, he was driving too fast. So he missed the turn. All right. This is a consequences. Okay, a consequences. So there is a reason why we use so as a conjunction. You can have a cookie, you can have ice cream. Or this is giving options. That's why we use or, giving options. And that is the reason we use or. Okay. Next one. We gave the dog a bath, but we could not get him clean. Okay, this is a contrast idea again. That is the reason why we use but. All right, now I made new friends at school and I learned math too. Next, I wear, sorry, what was that? What was the answer? And okay, good. I wear a helmet so my head will be safe. Consequences again, so we use so. Okay, we wake up early and go to the car. Okay, so go. Usually show, we have a comma. All right, everyone, would you like apples or would you prefer oranges? This is giving options, so we use or. I feel sick. See, there's a comma, so I cannot go to school. Consequences. I studied for the test, but I still got a bad grade. Okay, contrast idea. Okay, 10 questions. Okay, done. Do you have any question regarding this? I know everyone is an expert now. As I can see here, there are so many people got it right. Okay, I even have an analysis for this. Okay, don't worry. We will see this and we will discuss with your teachers now. I think today's session is very easy and I know everyone has learned like very easy, simple topic, which is conjunction. Okay, I hope everyone enjoyed this session. This session is very interactive. You have done two sets. I remind you, 2 sets of Quizziz conjunction sets. And altogether, you have done 24 questions, okay? And then you also have watched a video with my explanation. I hope everyone have learned today. And I think that's all for today. Thank you very much. Bye. Oh, let me stop. Let me get everyone to say bye first, okay? Unmute all. Everyone says bye.
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 Bye. Thank you, everyone.
Bye.
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 Bye.